What's the meaning of aircraft? Aircraft. 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 Aircraft.
Aircraft refers to any machine that is capable of flying through the air, whether it be for military, commercial or recreational purposes. These machines can range from small hobby planes to large commercial airliners and military fighter jets. They operate on principles of aerodynamics such as lift and drag and are propelled by engines or propellers. Aircraft have revolutionized transportation, allowing people and goods to travel quickly and efficiently over long distances. They also play a crucial role in national defense, scientific research, and emergency response efforts.